Good morning, class. So, GK, this chapter 49 will discuss that is internet. Internet, this what is very familiar with us. We know this, what is internet and all. Before also we come to know. You are used to with this internet. Nowadays, without internet, we cannot do anything. It's very important for us nowadays, is it? So, related with this, some questions already there in your book. The word Google, the websites, these are very familiar words for you. So what we'll do, just discuss about those. Okay. The question answers 1 to 9 we will do. Okay. Questions 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Okay, we'll do. And only the answers, you can write this one on the book also. No need to just copy in the your copy. Clear. Just write the answers in the book and try to learn properly. First one, you know that www stands for World Wide Web. Okay. Chatting is known an entertaining tool of internet. Two computers can be connected through telephone lines by modem. Okay. Email address is always unique. Web designer is a professional who designs the websites. Then Google is a famous search or engine. We know Google. With this, everything we used to do. Without this, is impossible to search anything. Websites engine indexes over a million. Okay. When you have found information you want, you generally download it in your PC from the internet. And ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Okay, this is only chapter 49 if you see. So just write down with this. And chapter 50, if you see, chapter 50 is fossils. Okay, is fossils. Fossils also in botany you used to know, or this is very familiar, the word fossils. Okay. The keepers of human history means they are there, because of that we can find our history. Which animals, what are there before us. Okay. What is our means how we in inventions and all can be proved by these fossils and all. Okay. Here some words are there that millions of years ago there are animals and plants on the earth, but there were no human beings before us. It's before us. And in spite of that, we know about those plants and animals very much. How? Because of the fossils, isn't? So here, related with that, some statements are given. Statements we have to find out whether they are true or false. Okay. What is that? First you see. The oldest fossils are those of bacteria and simple algae found in rocks over 30 to 100 million years back. It's false. Okay. Before that also. Scientists can tell the age of fossils in many ways. Yes, it is true. Okay. Number 3, most of the animals and plants that have become fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Yes, it is true. Tracks of animals are the routes that they followed. Yes, it can be, but only not animals. Plants are also there. So it is false. Fossils can be seen in places where wind and water have worn away the rocks. Yes, that is true. Many fossils are found in ice, tar, and amber. Yes, it is true. Fossils are found only in rocks. It is false. Fossils tell us a lot about changes in the earth. Yes, because of that changes we come to know about our reality. Is it? Because of that changing of time. Usually only the hard parts of animals like bodies such as teeth, bones and shells are preserved. Yes, these are not, this cannot be destroyed. Isn't it? These are the parts from where we can get our origin. Isn't it? And we can understand what is actually before there. Sometimes only a film of carbon remains of the flesh of animals. Yes, only the carbon part. And the carbon shows the outline of the animal's body. Yes, that is also true. So these are the things related with fossils. Already we know these all fossils, what are the preserving things and all. And by which we'll come to know about our origin, is the history. From them only we can understand which time it belongs to, because it can tell us about the changes. It can tell us about the changes and all. Okay. So these are the informations about the fossils we know. Okay. And the statements we have followed, that whether it is true or false. Okay. So this is chapter 50. Okay. So revise those chapters and if any difficulty you are finding, just try to solve in live classes. Okay, till then, thank you class.